Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how I build and customize my next warm and cozy mechanical keyboard. I purchased the Keychron Q1 and I'm going to be giving it a complete makeover. The Q1 has a lot of potential. You get a hot swap gasket mounted keyboard complete with switches and keycaps all for under $200. You may have heard that the board sounds a little hollow out of the box, but you can actually fix that with some simple, inexpensive modifications to create an awesome sound. So stick around until the end of the video to see just how easy it is to do those things and ultimately craft an amazing keyboard without emptying your wallet. Like I said, it's a great entry-level option, and that's why I'm so excited to announce that there is a giveaway for this keyboard kit. Before I tell you more about how to enter, let me first introduce today's video sponsor, 𝑥team, who is sponsoring this giveaway. 𝑥team is a community of remote developers that helps companies scale their development teams. When you join 𝑥team as a developer, you gain access to job offers to work on long-term projects for companies such as Riot Games, Fox, and Coinbase. You also get $2,500 per year to use towards activities and gear that helps you stay energized and always growing. So join 𝑥team using the link in the description below. To win the Keychron keyboard giveaway, you need to do the following 3 things. First, write a comment below on what your keyboard preferences are and be sure to include the hashtag #𝑥teamlife. 2, make sure you like this video and share it with a friend. And 3, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Instagram, and TikTok. Now, let's customize this keyboard. First, I want to design the color layout of the keycaps in the board. I use this website called keyboardlayout.com, which makes it super easy to start figuring out color schemes. I want this keyboard to remind me of and be a part of the cozy safe space that I've been creating for myself lately. And one of the main interests in my space has been plants and ceramic planters. I've recently become obsessed with plants. Taking care of plants and inviting them into our homes is so refreshing, and the good vibes that I get from my plants makes me want to be in my office and feel relaxed and inspired here. So I want my keyboard to give me that same feeling of peace, coziness, and tranquility. So here are some colors that I'm going to be using for the keycaps. I used an eyedropper Chrome extension to choose colors from the photos of one of my favorite plant websites. I fell in love with this plant shop's website, so I definitely want to base my keyboard colors off of it. So these are the final colors that I decided to include in my keyboard. And here is the final layout of those colors on the keyboard. Now that we have our design, let's start bringing it to life. I'm using these acrylic spray paints from Montana. They were really close to the original colors that I picked. The important thing to keep in mind when painting anything is to take your time. Don't spray the paint on in one thick coat. Layer a bunch of thin coats until you get the results that you're looking for. It might take a really long time, but I think it's worth it in the end. So here's how they came out. I have a terracotta color, a warm peach color, a cream color, an olive green color, and a sage color for the keycaps. For the keyboard itself, I just used a matte white spray paint for a clean minimal look that looked nice with any color scheme. Now, onto the heart of the board, the switches. I'll be using Gateron ink blacks for this board. They're super smooth and have a rich, deep sound. Lubing and filming switches is so time consuming, but it's definitely worth it. Okay, so this is the final assembled keyboard. I'm super happy with how this turned out. I already feel so happy using it. Putting that extra bit of love into something that you use every day is so worth it, because what's life without good vibes and finding happiness in the little things? This keyboard is really cozy, earthy, and reminds me of my safe space, and I'm so happy with how it looks. Inside the board, I put 2 layers of masking tape on the back of the PCB. This helps give it a deeper sound. Then, I stuffed a bit of polyfill into the case to help out with the hollowness. All of this creates a nicer, more marbly sound when you type. Okay, now let's do a sound test. And here's how it sounds with no mods. Now, let's hear how it sounds with the tape and polyfill. So this wraps up the video. This one was a lot of fun to make. Don't forget to enter the giveaway for the Keychron keyboard kit. I'll include the giveaway rules again in the description and comments below. The giveaway will run for a week and the winner will be automatically chosen. I'll be announcing the winner on Instagram, so be sure to follow me on there. Thanks again X-Team for sponsoring the giveaway in today's video. Again, be sure to check out X-Team in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.